Japanese toilets are world famous, not just for being super clean, but also for having more buttons than an airplane cockpit. If you've ever walked into a Japanese restroom and thought, which one flushes? Don't worry. In this video, we'll explain how to use Japanese toilets and what all those mysterious buttons actually do. Step 1. The basics. Yes, it's a smart toilet. In Japan, most toilets are high-tech bidet toilets called washlets. They can wash, dry, heat, and even play sounds for privacy. It's basically a luxury spa for your butt. Step 2. The bidet buttons. Don't panic. Okay, the most important buttons, the spray ones. You'll usually see two icons. A generic spray for everyone, and a gentler bidet spray for ladies. Press it once, and you'll feel a gentle stream of water. Press Stop, Z, to turn it off. Don't forget that part. Step 2. The bidet buttons. Don't panic. Next, the music or sound button. Japanese people are shy about bathroom sounds, so this button plays flushing or waterfall noises to cover them. It's called Otohime, or Sound Princess. Push it proudly. Step 4. Seat heater and dryer. Winter in Japan? No problem. The seat heating button keeps your seat warm, and the dryer gently dries you after washing. You can even adjust the temperature and pressure. Japan really thought of everything. Step 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Be careful not to press everything at once. If you see water spraying in all directions, you've probably hit the self-cleaning or test mode. Also, remember, most public toilets flush automatically, or you can find a flush button labeled big or small for large or small flushes. So now you know how to use Japanese toilets like a pro? They're not scary. They're actually amazing once you get used to them. Next time you visit Japan, don't panic when you see 10 buttons. Just remember. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more fun Japan travel tips. See you next time, and stay clean.